Now we are going to learn addition. Addition is a very important topic actually, by which we can do addition in just seconds. Vedic maths got so many wonderful techniques in addition, and you will be surprised to learn a new method, okay, that we are going to discuss now. See, there is something. See, this is number 10. Number 10 is our friend because we are very happy with number 10, because we can subtract, multiply, divide and add to number 10 any number very easily. So now what we have to do, we have to see the friends of number 10. See, one friend is 9 because 9 is 10. So like this, 2 is 8, 3 is 7, 4 is 6, 5 is 5, 6 is 6, 6 is 4, 7 is 3, 8 is 2, 9 is 1, 10 is 0. So actually this is what I told in the earlier chapter. These are all called complements. When you know these numbers, you can do subtraction very easily, okay, very easily. See friends, see, 1 friend 9, 2 friend 8, 3 friend 7, 4 friend 6, 5, 5. Next, 6 is 4, 7 is 3, 8 is 2, 9 is 1. So it is like this. These are the complements. We have to remember 10, okay, 0. Now we can do addition in just seconds. You will be surprised to know. See friends, how you will do addition, normal way, how you will do. See, normally what we will do, 7. Okay, from bottom we will start 7, 4. And we will start counting our fingers, 7, 4, 3. So 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 3. Again 3. For this also we will count 3. Okay, 11, 30, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's a big business, you know. So this we can avoid with this method. So in just seconds we will do this. Just see. Look for the friend of 7. Friend of 7 is 3. So 10. 10, what is remaining? 4, 14. See, tell me, where is the counting? Okay, again one more problem. 6, 5, 4, 5, 3. See, tell me friends, with just looking at the answer, you have to answer. Question you have to answer actually. Okay, what we will do? 6 friend is 4, 5 friend is 5, 20, 23 is the answer. Friends, we will solve one more, few more problems. See, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 2, 1. Tell me friends, we should give the answer in just, what we have to do is, we have to get the answer in just seconds. So how it is possible? So what we have to do, first we have to see the friends. 10, 20, 23, 28, 29. That's it. So now one more problem friends. 1, 3, 4, 3. See, we have to see a combination of 2 numbers or 3 numbers which becomes 10. We have to see 3, 3 is 6, 6 friend is 4, 4, 1, 11. Like this we have to solve. Now one more problem, 6, 5, 3, 8, 7, 2. See friends, we have to solve this in just less than 10 seconds. We have to see the answer and we have to see the question and answer straight away. See, 10, 20, 31. See friends, we will try to do this in just less than 5 seconds. 5 seconds? Are you crazy? No, I am not crazy, and I will show you how to solve this in just 5 seconds. So what we have to do is, we have to see the friends from top or bottom. Okay, no problem. See, 2 friend, 8, 10, 7, 3, 10, 20, 6 friend, 4, so 30. What is remaining? 30 and 5, 35. That's it. Like this we can solve in seconds. Okay. Now we will try to do one more. It is little difficult. You may say it is difficult, but for me it is like a play. See, I can give the answer in just like this. Okay, I can give the answer in just 5 seconds or 2 seconds, but I want you to do this. See, sir, there are no friends at all. How you can say you can solve in 5 seconds? If there is no friends, make friends so that you can solve the question in just seconds. So friends, what we have to do? See, I know this is 3. 3 is 2 plus 1. I am okay giving to 8. 10. 1 to 9. 20. What is remaining? 5. 25 in just seconds. Now friends, we will solve one more problem, that is 6, 5, 7, 3, 8, 9, 4, 1, 3. See, I want you to solve with Z speed. You can start from the bottom or from the top, no problem. So 6 friend 10, 6 friend 4, 10. Okay. Now 5 we don't have, don't worry. See, 20. Next 30. So what is remaining? 30, 35, 38. 38 is the answer. See, all you have to do is just see the friends. If there are friends, no problem. If no friends, we have to make friends so that we can solve the problem easily. Okay, one more. 3, 9, 6, 5, 4, 5, 1. See, I want friends you to solve in just seconds. See from top or bottom. 10, 20, 30, 33. That's it. If we have friends, okay, or else we have to make friends and we have to solve. Friends, come on, we will solve this. So what we have to do? First we have to look for the friends. See, 10, 20, 30. Okay. Next 40. So 45, 49. How much time I took to solve this? Hardly 10 seconds. But if you do in a normal way, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 7, you start counting your fingers. Okay, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 19, 20, 22, it goes on. It's a big problem. This way we can add numbers very easily with the help of friends. These are our powerful friends. If you know these friends, if you remember, you can do addition very easily, even subtraction also. Okay friends, now we will switch over to 2-digit addition. Welcome, we are going to learn a 2-digit addition very easily and very powerful way. Actually, I was shocked when my guru is doing the addition in a different way. Now I am going to teach that way only. So what we will do is, see this, normally how we will do, okay, 3 2 5 0 10 10 1 carry, and you do all these things. So 1 2 3 3 4 7 7 3s, see 100. Okay, answer. But I will do in a different way. So friends, what I will do? I will do in a different way, as I said. See, this is our tens and this is our ones. You should just remember ones and tens. This you know. So I will do in different method. See, I will add in a different way. Just observe me how I am doing. See, this is 20. You know, because this the unit place, this is the place of the number is 20 only. Tens. So it is 20. See, 20, 60, 90, 95, 97, 100. Friends, as I said earlier, if we have to add or subtract, sometimes we have to make friends or we have to make use of friends what we have. So coming to here, we will solve this in just seconds. So what we have to do is, this is, as I said, tens, ones. This you should do for every problem. Tens and ones, tens and ones. Okay. Now, see 40. See, one student asked me, how sir this is 4 only, you are saying 40. I said, Baba, this is in tens place. 10 into 4, 40. Okay, 40, 70, 70. See, there is something you have to observe. You have to make your life very easy by doing something creatively. See, you know 6 friend is 4 or 5 friend is 5. Okay, so 6 you can write like this, or 5 you can write 4 plus 1. Now, this is 5, 5, 10. What is remaining? 1. So, 40, 70, 80, 81. Okay, don't get confused. See, 40, 70. See, I am making 10. So, this is 80, 81. See, coming to here. So, what we have to do? 10, 90, 90. See, the friends are there. So, 100. Answer is 100. So, coming to here, 30, 70, 100. See, or you have to do like this. See, this is 3, 3, 6, 6 friend is 4. So, 100, 100, 108, 110. Now, this is, see, always there will be numbers which will make, you can make easily friendship with them. See, if you see like this, it will be a crazy question to answer, but you will be surprised to see how I will do. Okay? See friends, see 7, 8 is 15, 15, 20, 200, 200, see all this put together 10, 210. Or, so what you have to do is 50, 130, 200, 203, 209, 210. Like this also you can solve. See friends, this we will do in less span of time, maximum 10 seconds maybe, but before that I want to make sure you understand the technique. Okay? See now, as I said earlier, what we have to do is we have to make use of friends. See, wherever we have friends, 100, 200, 220, 260, 260, 270, 270, 280 and 288, 289, 290. That's it friends. See, this way we can do very easily. Yes friends, we will solve this problem also in very less time. So what we have to do is we have to see the friends, that's it. So friends, 100, 200, 240, 260, 260, now 270, 280, 280, what is remaining? 280, 290, 298. See how easy it is. Now we are going to find out the answers for these questions in an easy way. So what we have to do is just see the friends. This is 100, 180, 190, 193. Now we will do 3-digit addition. So this is ones, tens, 100. Now we will do 3-digit addition same way, but what we here look into is something different actually. This is ones, tens, hundreds. So now we have to see the friends same and we have to do, but no carryover business. Okay, now 1000, 1400, 1420, 1450, 1460, 1465, 68, 1470. Or see 1000, 1400, 1460, straight away 352 is 10, so 1470. Now coming to here, see, I am telling you again and again, if there are friends, make use of friends, or no friends, create friends. Okay, you may say, see, 1000, 1800, 1840, 1850, 1870, 1870, 1870, 1880, 1886. See friends, we will solve this one. So what we have to do is, see, different ways we can add. Okay, see, 1100, 1800, 1820, 1840, 1860, 70, 1870, 1880, 1886. That's it. This way we can do. Now coming to 4-digit addition. See, same, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So from left to right we have to go. See, 3000, 3000, 4000, 4600, 4600, 4700, 4700, because this is tens. 10 times 100. So what is remaining? 10. So 4600, 4700, 10, 4715, 4715. Okay, like this we can do addition. All the things you have to do is you have to practice. If you practice your own questions, you can become perfect in numbers. Once you are good in numbers, what will happen, you know, your confidence level goes on, and you can do addition, subtraction, all in mental, in your mind only.